Lexus alarms frequently activate due to issues with three main components: the smart access system, the hood switch, and the interior sensor. The smart access system uses key fobs and proximity sensors for keyless entry. Malfunctions often occur from fob battery depletion or signal interference. The hood switch is a mechanical sensor under the hood that can corrode or stick, falsely signaling intrusion. The interior sensor detects motion and can trigger from vibrations, temperature changes, or electromagnetic interference, especially in electric models like the 2025 Lexus RZ. To fix this, begin by identifying which component is causing the false alarms. Start troubleshooting by checking your key fob battery and avoiding parking near power lines to minimize EMI. For the hood switch, inspect for corrosion and test continuity with a multimeter. It should read 0 ohms when closed. Clean contacts annually and use dielectric grease. For interior sensor issues, try adjusting the sensitivity via OB2 tools or using foam padding to dampen vibrations. If problems persist, a dealership recalibration or software update may be required, especially for newer models with remote diagnostics via the Lexus app. Remember to disconnect the battery for 10 minutes to reset the BCM before attempting any fixes. If these DIY solutions don't work, or if you are unsure, consult a professional mechanic to avoid voiding your warranty. Modern Lexus models increasingly rely on digital fixes and AI-driven diagnostics, making professional assistance sometimes necessary.